Writing Wonders. Hello writers! Today we're going to write about a day at the beach. This lesson is for fluent writers. Fluent writing looks like this. The writing is readable. There may be a few misspellings. Fluent writers use punctuation and capital letters. Go ahead and grab yourself paper and something to write with. As we move throughout the lesson, pause the video so that you can write. Take all the time you need. Today we'll write about a day at the beach. First, let's brainstorm. Let's do some pre-writing with this thinking web. So we have our topic at the center, a day at the beach. Then there are 3 boxes for 3 details. So think about what your day at the beach is like. It can be an actual day at the beach that you remember, or you can make it up. Think about who was with you, what you did at the beach, what you ate, what you saw, how you felt. All of those things can be details. So go ahead, take a piece of paper, make yourself a thinking web, and come up with 3 details. Pause the video while you work. All right, so here is my thinking web. A day at the beach. I played in the ocean. I played in the sand. I ate lunch. Now, we want to choose a sentence to introduce our topic so the reader knows what we're going to be writing about. So our writing should look like this. We're going to have an introduction, our first detail, next detail, last detail. So go ahead and think about how you want to introduce your story. Pause the video. Okay, so here's the sentence I chose for my introduction. I went to the beach on Saturday. Now, I'm writing out my details. First, I played in the ocean. Next, I played in the sand. Last, I ate lunch. So now, I have my 3 details listed, and it's okay, but it doesn't really give me a picture of what happened that day. It kind of looks like this in my mind. So what I want to do now is I want to add more details to my writing. So here's my original. I went to the beach on Saturday. First I played in the ocean. Next I played in the sand. Last I ate lunch. Now I'm going to add more details to the details I already have. I went to the beach with my family on Saturday. First, I played in the ocean with my brother. We played catch with a beach ball. Next, I played in the sand. I built a sandcastle with a moat. Last, I ate lunch. I had a turkey sandwich, potato chips, and strawberries. So here are the details I added. With my family, so now the reader knows who I went with. I tell the reader I played in the ocean with my brother, but now they can picture what we were doing. We were playing catch with the baseball. I played in the sand, but now the reader can picture what I was doing. I built a sand castle. Playing in the sand could be a lot of things, so I'm being more specific. Last, I ate lunch. Lunch could be a lot of things also, but I added this detail. I had a turkey sandwich, potato chips, and strawberries. Now, I would like for you to add more details to your writing. Go ahead and pause the video. Nice work. Now, the last thing we want to do is write a conclusion. Write a conclusion to end your story, to let the reader know that you're wrapping things up. So I went to the beach with my family on Saturday. First, I played in the ocean with my brother. We played catch with a beach ball. Next, I played in the sand. I built a sand castle with a moat. Last, I ate lunch. I had a turkey sandwich, potato chips, and strawberries. Now, my concluding sentence, I had a magnificent day. And that wraps it all up. Go ahead and think of a conclusion to your writing. Great. Now we want to revise. That means we're going to check for spelling and punctuation. Take your time on this part and read it more than once if you need to. I went to the beach with my family on Saturday. First, I played in the ocean with my brother. We played catch with a beach ball. Next, I played in the sand. I built, this I should be uppercase. I built a sand castle with a moat. Last, I ate lunch. This is a complete thought, so I need a period here. I had a turkey sandwich, potato chips, and strawberries. I had a magnificent day. Now my last sentence needs a punctuation mark at the end. I'm excited about my beach day, so I'm going to put an exclamation point to show excitement. All right, now go ahead, take a look at your writing, check for spelling, punctuation, and make sure all of your sentences begin with a capital letter. Excellent. All right, now the last thing you want to do is read it out loud to yourself. Make sure you don't have any missing words. I went to the beach with my family on Saturday. First, I played in the ocean with my brother. I played catch with a beach ball. We played catch with the beach ball. Next, I played in the sand. I built a sand castle with a moat. Last, I ate lunch. I had a turkey sandwich, potato chips, and strawberries. I had a magnificent day. All right, sounds good to me. It makes sense. I don't have any missing words and I don't see any mistakes. Now that I've added these details, I can actually picture my day at the beach. It looks much better than that first picture. All right, you did a great job. That's all for this lesson. I will see you soon for another one.